So you want to start making money from football betting? Well, after watching this video, you will be well on your way to using a winning strategy. I'm about to show you a strategy that has made consistent profit over the years and allowed us to become full-time sports traders. So hopefully, you can also benefit from this basic but extremely effective betting strategy. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and push the bell for notifications so you never miss a sports trading video. There's also amazing free over goal tips in the comment and description section below, so make sure to check them out. With this amazing strategy, we will be using the over 1.5 total match goals market, which is an amazing market to use if you're looking to make consistent profit. To win an over 1.5 goal bet, we simply need 2 or more goals to be scored in a match to win the bet. Less than 2 goals and we lose the bet. You will notice that before kickoff, the odds are often very low for over 1.5 goals, so we won't be placing the over 1.5 goal bets at the starting odds. Instead, we will be setting all bets up on the Betfair exchange or INPLAY live. As matches progress, odds for over 1.5 goals will increase if there are no early goals scored, with odds 1.5 normally reached before the 30-minute point and odds 2 normally reached before the end of the first half, with most matches. But this also depends on the over 1.5 pre-match starting odds. With high-quality selections, waiting for the odds to increase before placing your bet will give you a massive edge over bookmakers and traders, as certain leagues and teams are statistically proven to have scored goals later than other teams or leagues. In-play betting is where big money can be made on a daily basis. I'm going to now give you the best in-play odds to either set up your bets on the Betfair exchange or trade based on years of over-goal experience. We will be placing up to 2 bets on each researched match in play at the following odds: 1 over 1.5 goals bet at odds 1.5 and 1 over 1.5 goals bet at odds 2. So that's a total of 2 over 1.5 total match goal bets placed on each selection if all odds are reached. If goals are scored before odds are reached, then no bets are placed, so no money has been won or lost. The maximum stake for low-risk betting should be 1% of your bankroll per bet, which will potentially be 2% in total per match. You may of course take more risk and stake higher, up to 2% per bet, if you have a high strike rate, so that would be 4% of your bankroll in total pre-match, which is pretty risky and not advised for long-term success. Make sure to remember small returns add up. So stick to staking a maximum 2% to 4% per match to avoid stress and volatile bankroll swings. Betfair exchange users can easily set up these 2 over 1.5 total match goal bets pre-match by selecting to keep bets, which basically means your bets will go in play instead of being cancelled once matches kick off. So for exchange users, there's very little screen time required to run this strategy. So pretty much a Betfair exchange pre-match strategy. Those without access to a betting exchange will need to be at the screen or on a mobile phone to place bets manually in play once odds are reached with your bookmaker. This is not as time-consuming as it seems, as you can easily research a bunch of matches that kick off at a time that suits your trading needs best. When it comes to researching or choosing selections, we advise you look for matches that have over 1.5 goal odds, between 1.15 to 1.36. Odds too low may take too long for odds to increase to the required odds, 1.5 and 2. The shorter the odds, the longer into a match it will take for odds to be reached, which means a higher chance of goals being scored too early. Odds above 1.36 clearly indicates a potential risky selection, so these matches are best to avoid unless your research gives you a higher edge than regular selections. Research and use only the matches you believe will have a minimum of 2 goals. You will not make money with this strategy unless you research selections or have a solid system that is able to pick selections. Betting at random will not bring long-term success. An edge is required. Make sure not to use statistic websites alone to pick selections, as the bookmakers use the same overall statistics when generating over goal odds, so deeper research into matches will be required to gain an edge. Don't worry, if you're new to researching matches, you will get better with time. You can also take a shortcut by using the incredible bet formula video system, or by following the amazing free tips in the comments and description section. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe, and push the bell for notifications of our latest videos.